Today we are going to see about what is walling. A form of spear phishing that directly targets the CEO, CFO, CIO like that, or higher level targeted in the organization. So these are the person this walling attack will target mainly. Let me see what is the cybersecurity which covers this walling attack. The walling attacks often referred to as CEO fraud or executing phishing or sophisticated cyber threats targeting an organization's high profile individuals. These attacks are carefully designed to deceive top executives such as CEO and CFOs into giving away sensitive information. The term walling reflects the high status of these targets who have significant access to critical data and financial assets. Because if you see so many organizations, this higher management will hold the critical and financial assets of the company. So normally this attacker will attack their environment by targeting this high profiled persons to get this data. So in these attacks, cyber criminals pretend to be trusted contacts. They use social engineering techniques to manipulate their victims into transferring funds or revealing confidential data. To better understanding walling attacks, recognize their signs and protect your organization's leader and assets from phishing and continue reading. So let me see what is the goal of the attack and how it is targeted. The goal of your walling attack is to deceive top personnel with an organization into taking action that benefit to the attacker for financial gain, data theft or malicious traffic. So transferring large sum of corporate money to the attacker's fraudulent account. So devolving the sensitive or confidential information such as trade secrets, client data or login credentials, granting access to secure system network or database, executing unauthorized action that are compromise the organization's security or operations such as endorsing contracts or making policy changes. So these are the ways their attackers will gain the access and they want the information from the persons. Some consequence of attacks like this walling attack, what it will do. Successful walling attacks can several harm an organization data, finance, operation and reputation. These impacts can include data loss such as the loss of critical data, intellectual property or trade secrets can have enduring repercussions. Financial loss. Beyond immediate financial losses for a successful attack, the cost of recovery and upgrading measures to prevent future breaches can be substantial. Operational disruption. While attackers can disturb normal business operation that lead to downtime, reduced productivity and potential loss of business opportunities. Reputation damage. So publicly disclose the walling attack can severely damage a company's reputation and trust, especially if customer data is compromised. So the walling attack, when the attacker attack your company, a high profile persons, the attacker will gain the access for their signs and confidential data, also the financial data. So this will impact to get their reputation loss, data loss and their financial loss, the operative production loss, the reputation damage. These things are not mainly will happen if this attack is happened. So we talked about all these matters today in this particular video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe without forget. Thank you.